How to set a custom print area in Google Sheets. Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can select and print a specific area in Google Sheets on a laptop or computer. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over and open your Google Sheets, and there are two methods by which you can print a specific content or print a custom area in Google Sheets. So first thing that you can do is simply select the cells that you wish to print. For example, I have selected these cells, and then you're going to click on File over here, and then you're going to find the option that says Print, and here you're going to click on Print. So what you're going to do is simply click on this current sheet over here, and then you're going to click on selected cells, and now only the cells that I selected are over here. So you can head over and then print it. Simply click on next, and after that you can simply just click on print and print the specific cells. The next method that you can do is simply don't select any part, simply click on File, scroll down, click on Print. And then you're going to click on custom number, or you can click fit to width, fit to height, fit to page, whatever way you want that. And you can simply click on set custom page breaks. And after that, you can simply select the page breaks, or you can, drag and select which part of the page you want to print. For example, I only want these cells to print till here. So you can simply click on confirm breaks, and now you can see that there is only this over here. And then you can only print this specific page. Simply click on next and print this specific page. So that was basically how you can set custom print area in Google Sheets. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.